I watched someone paste the same 400-word prompt into ChatGPT for the ninth time today, and they were using the wrong feature to solve the problem. ChatGPT has two customization features that sound almost identical: projects and skills. Pick the wrong one, and your output can drift without you realizing why. Start with projects. A project is a workspace for one area of work. It keeps your chats, files, and instructions together. One workspace, one shared context. That sounds perfect until you need ChatGPT to repeat a precise process. Run the same weekly report 10 times, and report 10 may look different from report 1. Why? Because context is not procedure. A project helps ChatGPT understand what you're working on. It doesn't automatically lock in how every step gets done. That's the gap skills fills. A skill is a reusable workflow containing instructions, examples, resources, and even runnable code. It teaches ChatGPT how to perform a specific task more consistently without you pasting that giant prompt again. Skills can activate automatically and combine into larger workflows. Extract, draft, review, package. So here's the rule. Projects answer: where does this work live? Skills answer: how should this work get done? Put the knowledge in the project. Put the repeatable process in a skill. Then use the skill inside the project. And here's the 5-second test. If the information changes but the steps stay the same, you probably need a skill. If the work needs its own files, history, and context, you need a project. If you need both, use both. Context goes in a project, process goes in a skill. Get that decision right, and ChatGPT starts working like a system you can actually rely on. Hit subscribe for more ways to build better AI workflows, and I'll see you in the next one.